Hello, grade 4, I'm Mr. Carlos, your math teacher. I will be with you in this video, and I hope you are fine and healthy. Today, are you ready to learn something new? I am so excited to be here with you all. Our lesson is about the area model strategy, so let's start with me. Today, we will use area models to represent two-digit by one-digit multiplication, and we will apply the distributive property of multiplication. And remember the important rule: area of rectangle equal length times width. Area of rectangle equal length times width. Draw an area model to solve each product. Firstly, 6 times 51. I will decompose the number 51. So 51 equal 50 plus 1. Then I will draw the area model. I will draw the rectangle, a big rectangle as you see, and put 50 and 1 and put the number 6 in the width. So we divide the area in two parts. One part 6 times 50 equal 300 and another part 6 times 1 equals 6. Then we add the products. 300 plus 6 equal 306. So 6 times 51 equal 306. Another example, 39 times 8. We will decompose the number 39. 39 equal 30 plus 9. Secondly, we draw the rectangle and divide it and put 30 and 9 at the front and put 8 in the width. Then we multiply we count the area of the first part and we count the area of the second part. The area of the first part 8 times 30 equal 240 and the area of the second part 8 times 9 equal 72. Then we add all the products. 240 plus 72 equal 312. So 39 times 8 equal 312. And now I will talk about the distributive property in multiplication. So let's continue with me. Use the distributive property to solve each problem. Problem number 1, 6 times 324. When we multiply 6 times 324 by using the distributive property, we decompose the number 324, and I know that 324 equal 300 plus 20 plus 4. Then if we multiply 6 times 300 and 6 times 20 and 6 times 4, 6 times 300 equal 1800 plus 6 times 20 equal 120 plus 6 times 4 equal 24. Then we will add all the products. 1800 plus 120 plus 24 equal 1944. So 6 times 324 equal 1944. Problem number 2, 7 times 2915. Firstly, we decompose the number 2915. So 7 times 2915 equal 7 times 2000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 5. Secondly, we multiply 7 times 2000 plus we multiply 7 times 90 and we multiply 7 times 10 and we multiply 7 times 5. And finally, 7 times 2000 equal 14,000 plus 7 times 900 equal 6,300 and 7 times 10 equal 70 and 7 times 5 equal 35. And add all the products 14,000 plus 6,300 plus 70 plus 35 equal 20,405. So 7 times 2,915 equal 20,405. Problem number 3, 5 times 407. We decompose the number 407, so it will be 400 plus 7. So 5 times 407 equal 5 times 400 plus 7. Secondly, we multiply 5 times 400 plus 5 times 7. I know that the number 5 times 400 equal 2000 and 5 times 7 equal 35, and we add the products 2000 plus 35 equal 2035. Layla read 5 books of 224 pages each. Calculate how many pages she read. Firstly, what Layla read? Layla read 5 books of 224 pages. So 5 times 224. Then we decompose the number 224 to get the product of 5 times 224. When we decompose the number 224, so it will be 5 times 200 plus 20 plus 4. And secondly, we multiply 5 times 200 plus we multiply 5 times 20 plus we multiply 5 times 4. And 5 times 200 equal 1000 plus 5 times 20 equal 100 plus 5 times 4 equal 20. And finally, we add all the products 1000 plus 100 plus 20 equal 1120 pages. We will talk about the partial products algorithm. If I ask you, use the partial product algorithm to solve the following. Example number 1, 76 times 3. We put 76 times 3 firstly, then we multiply the tens. 70 times 3 equal 210. And we multiply the ones. 6 times 3 equal 18. Then we add all the products. 210 plus 18 equal 228. So 76 times 3 equal 228. And if I ask you 214 times 8 by using the partial product algorithm. Firstly, we put 214 times 8 as you see. Then we multiply the hundreds. 200 times 8 equal 1600. Then we multiply the tens. 10 times 8 equal 80. Then we multiply the ones. 4 times 8 equals 32. Finally, we add all the products. So 1680 and 32 equal 1712. Now we will talk about the standard multiplication algorithm. Let's start with me. Use a standard multiplication algorithm to solve the following. For example, if I ask you 512 times 6. Firstly, we multiply the ones. Secondly, we multiply the tens, but we put 1 0 at the end. And finally, we multiply the hundreds and put 2 0 at the end. So 512 times 6, I will multiply the ones. 6 times 2 equal 12, 2 create 1, and 6 times 1 equal 6, plus 1 equal 7. We put 7 and put 1 0, and 6 times 5 equal 30. We put 30 and put 2 0, and finally we add all the products. So 2 plus 70 plus 3000 equal 3072. And try to solve this problem in 10 seconds. I challenge you to solve it in 10 seconds. Let's start. Finally, the correct answer will be 702. I hope your answer is correct. Thanks for trying. And thanks for listening. Thanks for taking the time to watch my educational video. I hope you found the information helpful. Thank you again for your attention. See you later.